If you think electric cars are slow, think again, because the 2026 Tesla Model S just shattered every expectation. Imagine going from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, feeling that insane torque push you back into your seat, and knowing you're doing it without spending a single drop on gasoline. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Tesla Model S, breaking down everything you need to know from price, performance, cost, and why it's a perfect fit for both American streets and Asian cities. The Tesla Model S starts around $110,000 in the USA. In Japan, it's roughly 15 million yen, and across ASEAN countries like Singapore, Thailand, and Indonesia, you're looking at $120,000 to $130,000 depending on taxes and import duties. It's a big investment, but when you consider what you save on fuel, maintenance, and insurance over the years, the numbers start making sense. Speaking of fuel, this car runs purely on electricity, so you're saying goodbye to gas stations forever. On average, a Tesla Model S consumes around 28 kilowatt-hours per 100 miles, which in simple terms means about $8 to $10 of electricity to travel 100 miles, compared to $15 to $20 if you were driving a luxury gas car of the same performance. In cities where traffic is dense, the regenerative braking and instant torque make stop-and-go driving a breeze, and on highways, it cruises smoothly without the engine noise of traditional cars. Maintenance is another area where Tesla shines. No oil changes, no exhaust repairs, no timing belts to worry about. You'll need occasional tire rotations, brake fluid checks, and battery health monitoring, but overall, it's much cheaper than traditional gas-powered cars. Parts are widely available in the US, and Tesla's expanding service network in Asia means repairs won't be a headache for overseas buyers. Insurance is slightly higher due to the car's price, but lower accident risk and fewer moving parts help offset that. Resale value is also impressive. Teslas hold their value well because EV technology is only getting more popular and sought after. Now let's talk about performance in real-world terms. In city traffic, the Model S feels agile despite its size. You can zip through tight streets, merge onto highways effortlessly, and the adaptive cruise control keeps driving less stressful, especially in stop-and-go traffic. On the highway, the dual or tri-motor setup provides enough power to overtake large vehicles with ease. The ride is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly comfortable for long trips, and even though it's an electric car, the weight distribution and low center of gravity give it a sporty yet stable feel. When comparing to competitors, the Tesla Model S is in a league of its own against traditional sedans and even luxury SUVs. For American buyers, it easily outperforms vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz EQS or BMW i7 in acceleration and tech features. In Asia, if we compare it to something like the Toyota Hilux in terms of reliability and versatility, the Model S may not carry heavy cargo, but it beats in daily commuting efficiency, low running cost, and tech innovation. The Tesla ecosystem, autopilot, full self-driving options, software updates, makes ownership smarter for busy urban roads in cities like Jakarta, Manila, or Tokyo. Ownership cost is something every buyer thinks about, and here, the Model S scores high. Charging at home overnight costs less than filling a tank weekly. Public chargers are increasingly available in major cities, and Tesla's supercharger network offers convenience for cross-country trips. The insurance may be around $2,500 to $3,500 annually in the US, but considering zero fuel cost, low maintenance, and long-term reliability, it balances out. Parts availability is key for Asian buyers. Tesla is rapidly expanding its service centers across ASEAN, and online support plus mobile service options make it easy to maintain even far from big cities. Why is the Model S smart for Asian roads and traffic? Instant torque means quick lane changes, no waiting for engine revs to respond. Compact enough for narrow streets yet spacious inside for families, with plenty of tech features like smart navigation that avoids traffic jams, autopilot for long trips, and advanced safety systems. Even in cities with unpredictable traffic or heavy rain, The battery management and traction control make driving stress-free and reliable. Fuel savings, lower maintenance, advanced technology, and performance that's fun yet practical make the Tesla Model S a game-changer for both the USA and Asia. It's not just a car, it's a statement about efficiency, style, and modern driving. For families, tech enthusiasts, or anyone tired of rising gas prices, this is a car that really makes sense on every level. So, if you're ready to experience insane acceleration, save on fuel, enjoy low maintenance, and own one of the smartest cars on the planet, the 2026 Tesla Model S is waiting. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for more high RPM reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest cars from around the world.